Hello guys, it's your girl Promise World. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you. So we'll jump for the matter. We make me come here today about celebrity saga. So men for this life, they just call like all this stupid. They just call like all this stupid. A day inside boss to go dey touch girl body, touch girl nyash. The bully girl for inside boss. No be say na a wife, now be girlfriend though. He just dey bully the girl. They touching her. Mona watch the video. Mona no go tell they talk about.
Animal, look at this idiot touching my ass in the bus. Calm down. Look how useless it. Please pass my slide. Look at the thing. I thought it was his leg. Like 4 different times I was stabbing the phone. I think it was like, if you stop, you continue again. Look at the fool. And they come. This idiot now, they will think they're giving birth to a child. I will slap you again if you say that rubbish.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay.
Una see Anna. Una see what the man is get the shot, they complain, they cause the man. So maybe for the just come like when they useless. They don't have to see woman yash. They don't have to see woman breast. They won't touch. But you not be on now you touch for inside boss for that matter. Inside public boss now you want for touch woman yash. So anything one a reason for this matter. I'm gonna leave about the comment. We'll go to the other news. This matter so na really fat. What did this celebrity reality star get talk? Unless people when die, they go they follow am for Facebook, for Instagram. But when he never die, they not follow am. Why people don't always be like that? Now they find people when be say make they die, na go they follow them for Instagram or Facebook. When the person they alive, they not go celebrate am. You not go share am, not go follow am. But when the person don't done, now they share am up and down, they give friends up and down. Why people really dey like that? This I don't really understand that. Mona watch the game, mona hear way for the talk the matter. Because this matter itself it tire me. I don't understand. Mona watch the game.
All these people that used to go and follow somebody's Instagram page when they announced that the person is dead, I want to wonder, are you possessed? Like, you did not follow. Like, they will just see somebody dead. Person's followers just go from like 2,000 to like something K. Like, how do you? What is your reason? I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I just want to understand. No, never mind. Don't worry. Everyone has their own reasons.
Now here wait for the talk and so. Now here the game when they talk, it don't really make sense. Now person do nothing really look and more read down. It no make sense. More celebrate people when they are alive. No when they don't tell me say they see you now again, say you celebrate, don't follow them. If you be your person friend, for celebrate your friend. If you mama, papa, celebrate your mama for the die. Buy them the car one and won't buy for burial for her. The rapper will be someone I won't buy for her for burial. Mona buy am for her now. Make you know say my pikin and what you do be. Now say now I say now say they proud of say when mama dey alive, when my friend dey alive, when super dey alive, see what I do for her. The person go see talk and still die. Now when person don't die now, because they do nonsense, what the person not they see again, and they do rubbish. Every person go they do something for Facebook for anything. Now Facebook people now don't know the person feel, no go like celebrate am. When the person don't die now, because they celebrate am up and down, they share am up and down. The rarest people they follow am. You know good. The more na change for this matter. So now what I get to talk for this matter today. We'll go to another news. This matter so na about Davido manager. This one is about Davido manager. Residents surprised to see singer Davido PL manager Israel without a car in Ekpoma, Edo State. The tracer, we don't see how we can. Maybe if they brag before, now no one Israel now. Israel, now go they find DJ Copy, $10 picky trouble when the guests soon, when because of the bed, but the more I not very soon, I want room at the still, I not get hassle, this one, that one. maybe don't they brag before, they brag, say get this, say get this. When people say they will trace them today, then they go really trace them because they see they enter back. When I watch the video, when I see what they talk about.
GMW road manager. I didn't press with Lego. You know it's not. You won't wake up back. You won't come back. Yeah. What how about you? Yes, I'm back.
As if for the flight back, people catch her today. They say they go pay surprise visit today. Now they go say they fly back without say no get car. They hold the video as they throw money reach. They give people bundle of money. No fit buy a car for a manager. Can you imagine? Anyway, for person to ride car enter bag, not be crime now. Not everybody when they work follow millionaire or billionaire, not be the get money now. Some billionaire they say they enrich themselves. The rich enrich the rich. So nobody won't make the poor because no one make the poor grow like them. So now what is the able for the life now? If you see go thief now or go thief motor now see the right and they go they blog and they go say don't go thief. The video PL manager don't go thief again. So when leave the problem make they enjoy he made they fly a bike. I bet when I leave I made they fly a bike they go. Because you know me say the video get money say go enrich a PL manager. When I leave over here now, what does my account for this matter? Because now here go for the mock on approval with the do me I see do approval for a head. Anyone that think about this matter, when I leave under the comment section. Thank you. We'll go to the next news. What is our actress just to talk so? It makes sense. This matter when I bring so. Uche Obodo. Now I talk this matter to this so. He say most of the maybe women saw this, maybe they stop they kill their children. He say me I'm not saying you kill your pikin for no reason. If I'm not saying I don't feel the bomb, na born feel na go remove am. Make una stop to the do me I do you. When they use raincoat. Maybe so now go they kill na children by una self. And if now you be woman, you see bone. Mona see try they maintain una. Mona see they look sexy, look hot. One day they look tattered. I beg una. Even though na click on a bed, no go know say na even though na 500 euro cloth to 200 100 naira cloth. Now you na take dress. Nobody will come and arrest you. At least you dress. So if you not fit plait your hair, barb your hair. So I mean for still look good. So mona listen to this video. Mona listen wetin the girl dey talk about.
It's so painful. But I see so many girls my age. They don't look beautiful anymore. And before they were so pretty. I saw one yesterday. I had to go back to the page to go and refresh. And you see, it's not this girl. And it was that girl, oh. And do you know the irony of it? She's even married. She's married though, and she's looking haggard and old and ugly. Yeah. So who marriage help? If with marriage and the almighty man that you're marrying, you're looking terrible. Without marriage, who knows how you go look? Please, stop killing your children, especially when you're of age. Have your kids. If marriage come, marry you. If marriage no come, raise your children now. Raise your kids.
Okay, she na see she for the talk now. She makes sense. So mona say they try mona so they kill na children for no reason. If you marry anybody when marry not favor am. Na your luck. You marry since before you na your luck. You still give God the glory. Don't let me say you not marry, meaning say life don't finish for you, or you not God, mama no dey stay with you, say life don't finish. Anybody when marry still good for you, give God the glory. You marry not give or take care of your children by yourself. Work and take care of your kids. You know me say man must surely dey for your children will better. The way you take treat your children, now you go take good, now you go take better for you. Even some family they would say man and woman would they don't go physically take care of their children. Children go still grow, they still do go. So take care of your children and look good, look nice, dress good. Don't you want go outside, you want go buy something for Solo market, wear slipper, they do pata up and down they go. You go forget to tie up because na inside of the bone. you forget to wear cloth, tear apart, they follow everywhere. Carry hair, zagazugu. Uma Barbara. So now what I say, I can't tell una for my platform today, because this problem I program I do for you. Anything when I see now I go talk put, and I go still chook my mouth put. So if you like what I talk, and I like what everything when I do for you, I'm gonna leave a comment under the comment section.